Matrix artist Rachel Graham here. I'm so excited to have Alex here. Alex is looking to go platinum blonde, and after evaluating her hair, we decided that a double process is not the right thing for her lifestyle and for her hair texture. So what we're gonna do is an express platinum blonde service using foils. I start by sectioning out a triangle section on the front hairline, sectioning the fringe away from the rest. I'm doing a horseshoe section on the top of the head, and then doing sections from the parietal ridge up to the back of the ear so the front hairline is out. I'm using High Riser in 20 volume. High Riser is one of my absolute favorite lighteners. It gives you 9 levels of lift while keeping the integrity of the hair because it's pre-bonded. I start by lightening the very front hairline. I'm doing fine slices right off of the front hairline and working my way back, leaving just a small amount of hair in between each section. And I'm applying the lightener just to the new growth. She's already blonde on the ends and she has finer hair, especially around the front hairline. So we really don't want to overlap that lightener. I'm going to do about 4 foils back, and then I'm going to go to the other side and do exactly the same thing. Then I'm going to work on the sides of the head, and I'm going to do diagonal back sections. It's really important to clip all your foils out of the way so you're working with a nice clean section. And we're folding these foils into beautiful little packets. That way we're going to be able to fit a lot of foils and you'll be able to work clean and comfortably. And they're just doing fine micro weaves diagonal back until we get to the front hairline. And we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side of the head. Now the whole front hairline will be nice and bright and even. And then we're going to go to our horseshoe section. I'm going to start in the back of the head and we're going to take macro weaves. We're doing a little bit bigger of a weave because we want to cover more ground and have a really impactful blonde. We're doing more of a partial foil, but we want this to look like platinum blonde when we're done. That way that she has a little bit less maintenance, and this is more of an express color technique. After you get to the front hairline, what you're going to do is go through and tip out all the blonde ends. Basically what you're doing is you're taking lightener. I'm just going to mix the same lightener but with 10 volume. So that's High Riser and 10 volume. And I'm just going over the parts that are already blonde. This is just going to make those blonde ends pop. And then when we put that toner on, it's going to be nice and icy cool. I'm washing out her hair with Instacare Build a Bond shampoo. This is one of my favorites. There's a billion bonds in every bottle. It really keeps the hair healthy and it smells incredible. And I'm toning with Tonal Control BlondeMax. I'm using shade 10 PA with 10 volume. And I'm applying that with a bottle, not a bowl and a brush. But what's amazing about this is that you can use either technique, whichever you prefer. And I'm going to leave this on for 20 minutes, no heat. And then I'm going to rinse it out. And I'm going to use the Build a Bond Instant Revival Liquid Mask. What I love about this mask is you really don't need to use a lot. It turns into a beautiful liquid and it just stays on for 5 minutes. I am so in love with these results. Her hair is shiny and cool. The toner has gorgeous visibility on this light blonde. If you love this video, check out our YouTube channel and like and subscribe.